Did you know the average person has about 60,000 thoughts a day?
What?
And that 80% of those are negative?
What?
And 95% were the same repetitive thoughts as the day before?
What?
That's what the research shows. But is there a way to decrease our negative thinking? Well, I've got one powerful way to do just that. This is stepping into anxiety. Hey there, and welcome back to Stepping into Anxiety. My name is Ryan. First off, bravo for choosing to pursue your thoughts instead of avoiding them. And now that you've made that choice, let's do this. When we begin to pay more attention to our negative thoughts, we realize just how definite they are. It is clear that there is no room for interpretation. They are as negative as LeBron getting called for a foul.
The crowd reacting what the officials...
More everyday examples include, I don't understand my anxious fears. I don't know how to feel better. I can't do this. But what we don't realize is that when we end a thought so definitely, we end the space for change, opportunity, and possibility. So how do we change that? With a comma and the word yet. Sorry if I'm triggering some PTSD from English class. My bad. When we read a comma correctly, there should be a pause, a slight pause that adds depth to a sentence. The magical word yet insinuates there is more, that there is at least the possibility for change. And that's all we need. That's all we are looking for. Just a little bit of hope when we are in a dark place controlled by anxiety. I don't understand my anxious fears yet. I don't see any change in my anxiety yet. I don't feel any better after therapy yet. I can't do this yet. Yet alters the negative thought at the very end. It has the last word. It has the last flavor in your mouth.
Something like that.
It says, this isn't over. And that's where the power sets in. Realizing it's not over until you give up on a thought and don't include yet at the end. Even if you don't believe it in this very moment, try adding it to your already anxious thoughts. Now, there is hope and a space for change at the end of these negative thoughts. There is the hope that the fight isn't over and that change is just around the corner, even if you can't see it. Recognize that you can truly shift your thinking. You can accept the thoughts you have. Don't deny them. Some thoughts seem to blindside you out of nowhere, but you have the last word, and that word is yet. Change is coming if you use a comma and the word yet. If you guys are enjoying Stepping into Anxiety, please subscribe below and hit the bell so you don't miss any topics to come. I'm so stoked to see this content come to life and to share it with you guys. Also follow us on Instagram at Stepping into Anxiety for daily inspiration and illustrations of your daily thoughts. Thank you so much for watching and take care, you guys.